As the woodland stretches along with the railway line, it meets this other clough. I think this is called Jenkins Clough, and it's a deep ravine with a fast flowing stream through. Known locally as a clough. Again, it's a home to a rich diversity of wildlife, I'm sure. Really, really nice. It's hidden away. And if this was down south and everything was flat, of course we wouldn't get the fast flowing streams, there'd be meandering streams. Again, somebody's left a bit of bread. And we wouldn't have the biodiversity around the water, because people could get there and farm it and walk around it. So that's what's the beauty of these Pennine Hills that we live in here. And areas of woodland have just been left. But they're going to become much more, well, not become, they are now essential for human survival on the planet. They're planting up areas now all over on lower grade farmland, so everybody can get involved, looking out for disease, making sure that the biodiversity in your woodland is actually healthy, and that in itself is a whole topic you can get involved in.